Hi everyone, this is the voice of Kotulebo, CEO Brand Forex Academy, and in this video I want to quickly walk us through the MetaTrader 5 application and how to use the MT5 app, MetaTrader 5 application, to start making money from the internet, from the Forex markets. So if you haven't already, head over to your Play or App Store. This app is available for both Android and iOS devices. So head over to your Play or App Store. Click on the search bar and type in MetaTrader 5. This is the icon. This is how it looks. So you click on it and install the application. After installation, go ahead and open up the application. Alright, your first visit to the application, you'll be prompted with a welcome screen that allows you to create an account, to set up or sign up for a demo account. It's pretty simple, so go ahead and fill out those details and click register. So once that's done, you'll be redirected to this screen. So on the MetaTrader 5 application, we have 5 tabs. We have the quotes tabs, we have the charts tab, we have the trade tab, we also have the history tab, and finally the settings. So I'll be starting with the quotes tab. Alright, on the top left of your screen, there's an icon here that allows you to rearrange the currency pairs you have on your lists. So if you go ahead and click on that, it rearranges the pairs with less details. And if you click back on that icon, it rearranges the pairs now with more details. The next icon we have here is the pencil icon. This icon allows you to remove currency pairs or trading instruments from your list. So for instance, you wish to remove the XAG AUD here. So once you click on the pencil icon over here and select the pair and click on the trash icon, that pair gets removed from your list. So you can now click the arrow icon to go back to your charts, and now that pair has been removed. Next up, we have the search bar. The search bar allows you to search for any trading instrument or currency pair of your choice that isn't already on this list. So for instance, you wish to add a trading instrument or a pair to your list, you can always search for it. So let's search for GBP JPY, also known as Great Britain Pounds. And here's the Japanese yen. So you can go ahead and search for that. And once it comes up, you go ahead and click the plus icon here. And once you do that, the pair will automatically be added to the bottom of your lists. So if you check now, we have the GBP JPY pair. So that's about it. Alright guys, after the search bar, the first column on the left side of your screen is where you have the currency pairs. So on the Forex market, the instruments we trade on the market are listed in pairs. So for instance, you can see the GBP USD, that's the Great Britain Pounds against United States dollar. We have the Euro USD, or the instruments we trade on the Forex market are listed in pairs. So the first column is where we have the list of the instruments we trade. And we also have some small numbers at the bottom of the pairs. So what are those numbers? Those numbers represents the spread. And I'll come back to spread in a bit. So that's it for the first column. We have a list of currency pairs we trade on the Forex markets, but they are not limited to this. On the second column, we have the bid price. And the bid price is basically the price buyers are willing to buy. And the third column, which is the last column at the extreme right, we have the ask price. And the ask price is the price sellers are willing to sell. So remember, I made mention of spread, which is the small number underneath the currency pair we wish to trade. So the spread is simply the difference between the ask price and the bid price. So for instance, you wish to purchase a currency pair and the bid price, which is the price buyers are willing to buy, is $10. And then the ask price, which is the price sellers are willing to sell, is $12. The spread on that currency pair is $2, which is $2 from the ask price, the difference between the ask price and the bid price. So that's it for spread. Spread is simply the difference between the ask price and the bid price. So that's it for this tab, which is the quote tab. And also I'd like to mention that this market prices are not stagnant. I'm currently recording this video by the weekend, which is why these pairs are not moving, are not changing. They are not changing. There are no changes in the market prices. So yes, we have probably just the crypto market pairs, because the crypto market is open 24/7. So the Forex market is open on Mondays, from Mondays to Fridays. It closes by 11:30 on Friday. So yes, the market is closed currently. So we are not seeing changes, but these prices do experience changes. So that's it for that. And I'd like to show you guys how to calculate each of these pairs in a bit. I'll attach a link to a video that explains how to calculate each of these pairs. This is just a guide on how to use the MT5 application. So for the quotes tab, we are done. Let's get over to the charts. Alright guys, the chart is simply a graphical representation of price movements over a particular period of time. And on the chart here, the first option we have is the list of time frames. And if you go ahead and click on that, click on that, you'll see the list of time frames we have on the Forex markets. We have the 1 minute, which is M1, M5, which is 5 minutes, M15, which is 15 minutes, M30, which is 30 minutes, H1, which is 1 hour, H4, which is 4 hours, D1, which is daily, and W1, which is weekly, and finally we have MN, which is monthly. So guys, the candlesticks, each candlesticks you see on your chart is a representation of price movements on that time frame. So we are currently on the 5 minutes time frame. So this red candle represents price action or price movement in the past 5 minutes. So if we move over to the M15, we are still on the same charts, but these candlesticks are a representation of price movements in the past 15 minutes. You have lots of candlesticks here. So just understand that each of these candlesticks are a representation of price action in the past 15 minutes. This long red candle is a representation of price action in the past 15 minutes. Likewise, all the other candles behind it. So if you change your time frame and move over to, let's say, H1, move over to H1. Each candlestick you see here on the chart is a representation of price action in 1 hour. So that's it for that, for time frames. And next up, we have the crosshair. This tool is used to pinpoint exact prices or mark out points in the market. It's more like a sniping tool, a tool you can use to aim. That's just it. So we use this tool to make analysis before you take trades on the market. You can use it just how you want. So the next option we have is the F icon. This icon allows you to insert indicators on your tab. So once you click on it and you click on the plus icon next to the main window, you would be directed to a list of indicators, and you can go ahead and insert whichever indicator you want. So indicators are basically trading tools that helps us to know when to buy and sell. So yes, you can go ahead and select whichever indicator you want by just clicking on it. So for this illustration, I'll be using the moving average. So I'll click on the moving average and I'll click on done. So once that's done, I can see we have the moving average now on our charts. So we are at liberty to select whichever currency and indicator you want. So yes, feel free to select whichever indicator you want. So let's head back to our charts. And the next icon we have here is a feature that allows us to add objects to our charts. So we can go ahead and click on it. And we can add objects like rectangles, and add objects like arrows, and so on and so forth. So we're at liberty to add whichever object you need to make analysis on the market. So that's about it. The next icon we have is this circle icon. This icon allows us to take trades, to set buy limits. For instance, you wish to buy or sell a particular currency pair at a future market price, not at the current market price. You go ahead and click on this icon, and it gives you the ability to set your buy limits from your charts. So in a bit, I'll be explaining the market orders we have on the Forex market. So sit tight. All right, so that's it for that. And the final option we have is an option that allows you to take trades or to buy or sell at instant market prices. So if you go ahead and click on it, you will be prompted with 3 buttons. So I'll just go ahead and click on it now. So once you click on it, you have the sell button. You also have an input field that allows you to insert your lot size, and I'll cover up lot sizes in a bit. Then finally, we have the buy button. All these features allow you to take trades directly from your charts to either buy or sell based on current market prices. So that's it for the charts tab. Let's move on to the next tab, which is the trade. All right, guys. So this tab shows you your balance, your equity and free margin, and also shows you running positions. So I'll show you guys how to place your first trade in the Forex market using your MT5 application in a bit, so sit tight. All right, so this tab shows you your running positions. So if the market was open, I have taken a buy trade here just to show you guys, but I'll make a video for that so everybody is on the same page. So once you click buy or sell, the position will be running here. It's going to be opened on this interface on this tab, and this way you'll see your list of running positions. So next up, we have the history tab, and on this trade tab, you can modify your trades. You can add stop losses and take profits, and I'll cover stop losses and take profits in the bits what they do. So just sit tight. So next up, we have the history. The history is basically a report card showing you the report of trades you've taken based on the time frame you select. So we have a clock icon here, and if you click on the clock icon, it shows you time frames you can select. So the MT5 application can generate a report of the trades you've taken. So you can select your reports for that day, and it shows you. This is a demo account. I haven't placed any trade on this account, which is why I am not getting any reports. So yeah, that's about it for the history tab. And next up, we have the settings tab. Okay, this is the part of the MT5 application where you get to connect your live account. So I have a video where I explained how to start trading Forex, so you can also check that out as well. So to make money from this application, this is the part where you connect your live trading account to your MT5 application. So to do that, you click on new account and you search the company or server name based on the details on your account. You insert it here. Let's use Bits Delta. For instance, mine is Bits Delta. So you go ahead and search that based on what is on your account details. You search that, you click on it, and you go ahead to insert your details to log in, to connect your account and log in and start trading. So that's about it for the MetaTrader 5 application, and I'll show you guys how to place your first trade on the MetaTrader 5 application. I'll attach a link in the description, so feel free to check that out as well. Alright guys, that's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, if you learned something, do well to hit the like button and subscribe for more contents like this.